So welcome to the introductory video for ST2 on hypothesis testing. So in this introductory video, we're going to talk about the resources, times, and aims of this course. And then the other videos 1 to 5 here will discover other particular topics in detail. So for this course, we're going to have this instruction material available in advance so you can look through it, including the demonstration videos that invite you to look at for labs 1 and 2. Then on Tuesday and Thursday, we'll have the 2 labs where you get some hands-on practice of Z-tests, T-tests, and other types of related power testing. And then on the Wednesday in between and the Friday afterwards, you get further time to spend time learning this area. And of course, you have to take things at your own pace, and the course is here to support your learning in whatever direction you want to take it. If this area is completely new to you, then notionally that might take you 20 hours to go through the whole to understand these different topics completely. However, I suspect you've done this before in some guys, so I would imagine that you'd need less time in total. So our main goals for this course are to look at sampling for continuous distributions in particular. So continuous distributions are what we're going to focus on, and we'll look at how we can design hypotheses in that context to look at continuous distributions, and therefore we're going to look at things like Z-tests, T-tests, and then the power required for those different types of tests. So we're going to look at things like the central limit theorem, normal distributions, T distributions, power, sensitivity, and specificity. So by the end of this short course, what we're going to hope is that you're able to understand better sources of variation in your experiment. You'll be able to design more effective experiments and evaluate your data using different distributions in R. And this is aligned with a story module on probability on statistics. There's a range of learning resources are available for you, including ones about what you might see in research papers or experimental design, points of significance is the next in collection, on what a large part of which I base my material on. If you want more basic instruction at more length, the OpenStax free resource of introductory statistics is suggested. And then there's a variety of major textbooks that are online. The Hyperstat Online Stats textbook, StatsRef, is good. The Worm book is a shared authors, elementary statistics, multivariate statistical analysis, which those ones are already detailed. First course in design analysis of experiments by Ohlert, and modern statistics for modern biology. There's also articles on which part of the material here is based. This part points to the significance article on significance, p-values, and t-tests. It's the StatsRef book on t-tests and t-distributions, the StatsRef book on power and types of error, David Colvin's article on video on t-testing, and then the other points of significance article, power and sample size, is also a useful resource for you to learn further. So please see the next video for more on this course.